So as you see, this is my setup, and I have one monitor and the gaming laptop and the router right there. But whenever the power cuts, it all just turn off. Of course, the laptop will be alive for some 2 hours, 3 hours, but the router will turn off. I was thinking to buy a UPS for the router alone, but that itself costs like 1000 to 2000 rupees. Then I thought, okay, well, we'll just buy one backup UPS, which will last the a laptop like half an hour or 1 hour. At the same time, it will power the router as well. If we are not at all using the laptop, it will power the router like 10 hours or 12 hours maximum, even goes like 1 day. So I bought a backup UPS, Artis 1000 VA UPS, which is almost like 600 watts of power output or capacity. So this one, we will see the technical things and my initial impression of this one. I even have tested it with my setup. I also did the basic setup and calculated the backup hour, how long it is running with this UPS. So let's see all of them in this video. So before seeing the technical things, let's just see the unboxing of this one. So inside the packaging, we have directly the thermocol and then the UPS unit itself. There we have multiple things like the bill and then the warranty card. Here you have the here they have mentioned how to register it by yourself. After that, you have the some sort of advertisements of the product. After that, you have the exact user manual. So this one I have entirely gone through, and there are multiple things which I found it useful. So here I have connected my Artis 1000 VA and 600 watt UPS. So this one currently having the 3 outlet, so where you can connect 3 devices. Well, I have here, if you see, I have connected one directly with my router there, and then in the another one to the power box. So in there I have connected my monitor and then the laptop. This one has the two 7 ampere batteries, which is like 2 into 7 ampere hour into 12 volt battery, so which almost produces 168 watt hour. So this 168 watt hour, how it will be converting, well, we'll see all of them. So first here I can just turn off the power, so it will run all the things here. So there are 3 devices which is connected right now. So first thing is the my laptop, which is Legion 5, which has the Intel i5 10300H processor. The TDP of that processor is almost 45 watt. Of course, the TDP doesn't directly tell the exact watt that it is consuming. Well, I don't have any device exactly to calculate how much watt or something my laptop currently using. I also have installed the CPU to calculate the TDP of this laptop, and the processor is 45 watt, and the 6050 GTX is almost 50 watt. So it's almost like 95 watt, and the display and backlit and other things which almost like 30 watt approximately. So 130 watt. But the charger here, that I have is 170 watt charger, which directly connected to the power. So whenever it is connected to the charger, the device will directly run with the power which is consumed from the UPS. So it can go max up to 170 watt. At the same time, it can stay up to 90 watts. So based on the things. Also, in all the time, I will be editing a video and then rendering it. So it will be using maximum capacity of the laptop. Sometimes it may fluctuate less or greater or lesser, that is there. I can't exactly do the calculation when it comes to PC or laptop with the charger. It is same with the case if you have a CPU with 400 watt power supply. You can't tell like it will be always consuming 400 watt. In the ideal time, it may go even less than 60 or 40 or 30 watt, sometimes 15 watt, based on the power consumption of the processor and power efficiency. It may go up to 400 watt as well. So if you are are having a CPU which has the 800 watt power supply and having 3080, these 4080, 4090 and all, well, this is not the right thing for this. So the output capacity itself is 600 watt. Of course you can try, but whenever the power supply reaches more than 600 watt, it may give the overload problem. So that thing you have to consider. Also the monitor that I have is 24-inch Marquee. So this will also, based on the brightness and other things, will fluctuate, but from the brand side, the power consumption of this monitor is 36 watt. That is the maximum total power consumption, both with the speakers and screen and whatever. And then the router, which is like 9 volt 0.6 ampere, which is very less. If you calculate into watts, it will be like 5.4 watts or something. So I did the basic calculation using the chat GPT, and then how it is calculated here I will put in the screen. So this is simple calculation. Well, you have two batteries of 7 ampere, which is like 168 watt hour, as I said earlier. And if you calculate with the 5.5 watts of power consumption, it will nearly give 30.5 hours of runtime. Well, that is what, if you use only this power to power your router, it will take. If you add the 36 watt extra, you can do the same calculation along with that. So let us just practically use it, how it is performing. It is fully charged. The brand is telling 4 hours first time you have to charge, and exactly there is no indication telling that whether it is charging or fully charged or something. So that charging thing is still questionable in my opinion. So let me just power off. So now the light is in the yellow color. So the power whichever is currently running, it is happening through the UPS. So here you see one sound is coming. This sound will happen every 10 seconds, which continuously indicates that this is currently running in the UPS, which is little bit annoying in some time, because you will always have that panic attack or something whenever the sound is coming. So I will find a way to remove the speaker. When the battery is too low, this will go like each second it will be blinking, the sound will be happening every second. So that time you know that it is in very low power, so it will turn off within a minute or something. That you can get to know. If it is half a second like this, it is happening, it is in overload or something, you can unplug a few things and click a reset button, so it will start functioning fine. So let's just do my work. When power comes, it will directly move to the direct input power grid. So that is great thing. And these particular switch is more seamless. If you consider some other UPS, this may take some time, or this one sometimes the router will turn off and turn on. That problem I didn't face. It was very seamless. That is one of the good thing about this one. Also, as per my usage, so this monitor with the power, full performance mode, and the router, all these three things, the hours that I got was in 1 hour 2 minutes. This started giving the beep sound, which is the low battery. So within 1 minute it stopped working. Actually I was getting the runtime of 1 hour 3 minutes 4 seconds. So if I use only the router, it will be like 10-12 hours it will go. There is no problem. Even if there's a shutdown happening, my router still runs. Also, if I'm removing the power and not using the this one, my laptop easily can go up to 2 to 3 hours of backup. And my this one monitor, it can run like 6 hours or something using 5 to 6 hours or using this backup. So these are basic calculation, and you can make the same calculation using the thing which I formula showed in here. Because the thing is, this one having the battery power and it is converting it to the AC power, and again that AC power using the adapter converting it to DC power in the router. So when compared to the router UPSs, this is not that much power efficient, but at the same time it is versatile. I can charge my mobile or of course power bank is there, but still I can charge my 33 watt adapters for this one, and I can power my monitor if I'm doing some work. For example, I have a PS4 here, so if I'm playing some game and suddenly the power is gone, it will still run, and I can save the game and I can turn off it fine. So for those purposes, this is really fine. Of course, this is the lead acid battery, so this will have the efficiency loss over the time. This runtime whichever I showed is very first time, so as the time goes, the hours and minutes will reduce a lot. So we'll continuously try to make that video. If this video gets 100 likes and 50 comments, I will buy extra 2 batteries of 7 ampere, and I will extend it in the parallel connection and increase the hour. I will also open this UPS and remove that beep sound speaker or something. So yeah, that's what about this video. So thank you for watching, and hope you get the useful information whether to buy it, this one or not. Also, yes, of course, definitely there is some warm thing happening whenever it charges, so I would suggest don't keep direct sun. Just to show a video, I am keeping it here, otherwise I will keep it in down in the not in direct sun exposure. So if you want to watch other videos of like a review of this monitor and this one, you can watch it here. If you want to watch the electric cycle which I was using for almost 4 years, you can watch it through here. So yeah, that's what about this video. Thanks for watching. Koat Matau.